In this troubleshooting video, we have received one ticket from the users in the LAN. Ticket is that DHCP PC clients or some of the PC users are reporting they are not getting reachability to any other network like internet or web server or any other outside network. They are not getting reachability for some users or maybe for all the users. We have to check that this issue is for only for some users or for all the users in the LAN. Okay, so we'll check in the LAN. First of all, same in other videos we have explained, we should have a clear idea about our LAN as an IT engineer of the network. We should have a clear-cut idea about our network, the subnets we are using, the devices we have connected into our network, the servers, and etc. and the details all about this. As per the reported issue, some of the PCs are not getting any other outside network like web server, DHCP server, or other or outside internet also they are not getting. So first to confirm, it is only for some users or for all the users in the LAN. See, in our scenario, for this only one PC, we are assigning IP as static IP. Consider this PC for the company manager or any other privileged user or for the IT staff, just to consider as a static IP device. You can confirm from this PC first. There we are getting other outside services, outside network. I will check from this PC first. We are getting the outside IP config. IP is there. Yeah, we have the IP address 10.1 as per our scenario, and the gateway is also correct. 10.254 also correct. This is actually manually configured, not through the DHCP. For all other users, all other PCs in the LAN, we are doing the IP address assignment through DHCP server. This is our DHCP server. So we will check any other issue, any issue in the DHCP also we have to check in detail. First, you confirm from this manually assigned PC, assigned IP PC, we are reaching the outside network or the other servers. We are just check connectivity into the web server 10.1.21 web server 10.1.21. So we have reachability, and now check from this PC. That is, these are the PCs they are reported the issue. So just to confirm from this PC, we are getting into reachability into our gateway. What is our gateway IP address? Our gateway IP address is 192.168.10.254. Just check the connectivity into the gateway IP address 192.168.10.254. Yeah, we are getting the request timed out. That means we are unable to reach even into the gateway also. We can check from one more PC. You are getting the reachability into gateway or not. In the same way, take the command prompt and check the reachability into the gateway 192.168.10.254. 10.254. Okay. Yeah, we are getting the same issue here also, request timed out. So there is a common issue in the LAN. Except this manually configured IP PC, all the remaining PCs are experiencing the same issue of unreachability into the outside network or into the other subnets even inside the network. So check the what about this IP assignment? IP is getting or not? IP config. Yeah, see here the IP address for this PC is getting through auto configuration IP version 4 address, but this is in the range 169.254, which is an APIPA address range for this PC. Check for this PC also. See here also we are getting the IP address in the range 169.254, which is the APIPA address. That means there is no any manually configured IP, and also this is not getting IP through DHCP server. All right, so we have to check any issue in the DHCP server, any issue in the DHCP service. Okay, so we can check in the router also. In the router also, we have to check. There is one configuration is required inside the router. Check the connectivity into this connectivity into this DHCP server from this router. Okay, exit from here, just make a ping into the DHCP server, which is 10.1.1.1. Here is the IP address of the server DHCP. We are getting reply, it is working, no issue. Ping into the web server also. 10.1.1.2, no, 10.1.2.1. Okay, 10.1.2.1. Just a second. 10.1.2.1 is the IP address of the web server. That is also we are getting the reachability. Now you have to check how the DHCP is providing services into the PCs. While configuring the DHCP server here, we have to configure one configuration in this interface. That means if your any request is coming from the PCs in the LAN for DHCP server, there is one mapping towards the DHCP server. So using the command IP helper address, there should be a configuration in router in this interface towards the LAN IP helper address of this DHCP server, so that all these requests for DHCP services coming from these PCs will be forwarding into this DHCP server. Confirm that this configuration is done or not. So run, you can check by show run. Okay, show run. This interface, this is gig 00 is this interface. Check the configuration in gig 00. See, in gig 00 we have only IP address assigned configuration. There is no any configuration regarding the DHCP service IP helper address configuration. So we have to do that configuration in this interface, in the interface towards the LAN. Okay, so we'll do that now. Configuration mode, interface gig 0/0, which is the interface towards the LAN. We have to tell this interface, if you are getting any request for IP DHCP service, you have to forward into this DHCP server by the command IP helper address 10.1.1. Okay, this is the configuration required in this interface for DHCP services. Now we can check again, this is getting IP from DHCP or not. You can do the configuration, you can do the command by using ipconfig/renew. Okay. Yeah, see, now we are getting the IP address through DHCP service, right? Now we are getting all the details, subnet mask, gateway, and IP address through the DHCP service. Check in this PCI also we are getting or not. Using the command, you can renew your IP or you can restart your IP assignment by using ipconfig/renew. Right. Yeah, we are getting the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway for this PC also through DHCP service. Now, in any PC in the LAN, if we are trying for a DHCP service, we will get through the DHCP service IP address. You can do from here also instead of just renew DHCP. Yeah, successful DHCP request is successful. For this PC, you can also check. Yeah, DHCP request is successful. So for any PC in the LAN, requesting for DHCP will provide through the DHCP server. So that was the issue. The PCs are not getting any IP address, any gateway, any subnet mask through this DHCP service. Okay. Now you can check the ping from PC1 to the any of the outside subnet. For example, I will ping to the 10.1.2.1, which is a web server in our network. So we are getting the reachability. So the issue has been resolved now. You can write our note here. Status of the ticket is resolved. And what was the issue and what was the solution? Issue was all PCs, all DHCP PCs, all DHCP client PCs were unable to reach any network or any subnet. Okay, what was the resolution we done? Okay, the issue was this, and what was the resolution we have done? The resolution was, what was the reason for this issue? There is no IP helper address configuration. IP helper address configuration missing in LAN interface in the router. Okay, yes. Okay, the status is resolved. Issue was IP was not getting through DHCP. Resolution is we added IP helper address configuration in the router. Okay, now the ticket is closed.